Staking from the Blits wallet. Here's a quick tutorial from Peace, Love, and Harmony Validator. Make sure you protect your seed phrase and passcode. First thing you're going to want to do is receive some one. So you press receive, then we're going to copy the address. And that's the address that you're going to want to put into the exchange. As long as it's Binance or Crypto.com, you'll be all set. It's a native token. Make sure it's a native token before you send it to this address. And then once you get your one in your wallet, then you just hit the staking button. Loads the validators up. You can check them out. All kinds of different ones. These are all elected ones. If you want to see the not elected ones, you have to press this. If you want to find Peace, Love, and Harmony, you just start typing it in, it'll bring it up. And there we are. And if you want to delegate, all you do is press Delegate 1. Make sure you don't delegate all of it. Keep one in your wallet to cover your transaction costs. One will cover about 100 transactions, so that's plenty. You just type in how much you want to delegate and press delegate. Simple as that. And then, of course, you still own your one. It's just getting locked up on the network. And anytime you want to undelegate, all you do is press undelegate. And it takes 5 to 6 days to return your wallet. And like I said, make sure you have a little bit of one to cover the transaction cost. Just put in how much you want to undelegate. Simple as that. And if you want to delegate more, all you do is press delegate again. You don't have to undelegate. It's as simple as that. And this is staking from the Blits wallet. Thank you all. Peace out.